Good morning. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting upright or lying down if that feels best. I invite you to gently close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Take the next few moments just for yourself to set the energy for today. Dedicate this time to honor this fresh, new day full of opportunities. Let's begin with a simple, energizing breath. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for a brief pause. And gently exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's repeat. Breathing in new energy. 2, 3, 4. Holding for a moment. And slowly letting go of anything you don't need. Continue at your own pace, allowing each inhale to awaken your body with fresh oxygen, and each exhale to release tension that's stored inside your body. And as you breathe, observe what your body feels like today. Sense the gentle sense of aliveness in every cell. Maybe you can even feel a slight tingling sensation on your skin. With each inhale, imagine light filling your body, refreshing you with energy and clarity. Now silently repeat these affirmations to align your day with good intentions. I welcome this new day with clarity and ease. I am grateful to be alive. I am excited to see what this new day might bring. I have all the power to make new decisions today. I welcome wonderful encounters and opportunities. Today, I choose to move with purpose. I choose my words and thoughts wisely. I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way. I am grateful for this beautiful life, for this chance to be part of the universe. I open myself to joy, peace, and new opportunities. Feel free to choose an affirmation and let it settle deep inside your mind and your heart. Take one more deep breath in. And a full breath out. Whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes and carry this calm and wonderful energy with you into the day. Have a wonderful day.